Welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. 65 Mustang. Basically pulled the carpet out, re-dyed it. Just doing some, I guess what you call maintenance. We cut a piece of wood out, made the back panel for the back window because the factory is made out of cardboard basically. There's some new speakers to go in it. Some insulation. We've done the hole inside. So now it's going to be a lot quieter. And then we know we had to do the brakes on it. So in the process of doing the brakes on it because the back wheels was locking up on it. Then we did the same thing in the trunk and then come back and painted the insulation to make it look halfway presentable. It's not a show car, it's just a cruiser. Put the little rubber mat on top of the gas tank. We got a board that go from the back here to there, and it's covered with a piece of material. And then, sorry about that, y'all. Tripping over stuff. Then we're going to replace the master cylinder, which we already took it off. Of course, you know you had to order everything. The picture I posted to see if it, when people guess would this be a 260 or a 289, and I believe it to be a 289. It's an early 65 because I don't know if y'all can see that. Ain't got no light, but it's got a correct date code on the intake as being 64, so that corresponds with early 65 model Mustang. And it does have the 289 water pump on the front of it, so that tells me, and the valve covers gives it away too. I believe that also is a 289. And plus the fuel pump also. And the generator. Mid 65s or later 65s, they went to a alternator. And this is the original generator car. That's just the aftermarket generator. Which he does have the original one that come off of it. That's what we're doing, just basically freshen it up a little bit. And then got a local car show here in a couple of weeks we're going to take it to. It's like a cruise in. But that's what we're doing. It's that don't look too bad. I had to buy a new shifter plate because the shifter plate's been on there so long it crumbled when we took it off. So we had to order one of them. It's definitely going to be a lot quieter. And we're going to fix which I'd already took a picture. We're going to reroute the tailpipe on this side to get it off the brake line because some idiot that done the exhaust work on it put the exhaust right up against the brake line, the rubber line. So that's what we're going to do. But that's what I've been doing, working on the Mustang. Even though it has the 80 model valve covers on it, I do believe this is also a 289. Going by the intake, that's a 302 intake. But you get down here and you look at the water pump, that's a 289 water pump. I do believe this is going to be a 289 also. Not 100% sure, but I do believe that's a 289 also. And going by the VIN number, it's A6, means it's a 66. And that does have the 4-speed in it. And if you'll walk around here, you'll see the white paint. That's Wilmington white, and that red color is a factory primer. Now the inside was white, and it had the wood grain dash cover there. And it does have the steering wheel, I believe. I'm not 100% sure if that's factory to this car or it's aftermarket. Ollie's Garage could probably tell me. But I was thinking some of these cars came like that. And it comes with the white seats, with the black carpet, with the black headliner, which the headliner's not there no more. So we're gonna, if you notice, there's surface rust on the floor pans, but it's pretty much a solid car. You'll find a little surface rust on it, but that's about it. Same way with the door panels. Not sure if it came with the black cards or the white cards on the doors. I'll do some more research on it. I believe they did come with the black ones, I'm not sure. But we're gonna fire this thing up here next week or a couple of weeks. We're gonna put some brakes on it, and we're gonna yard drive it. We'll probably take it down the road too, because where we out here in the boonies. So y'all be looking out for the video. We're gonna pop a windshield in it, or we'll just drive it like it is and then put the windshield in it. But there you go, folks. Y'all look forward to well, run and drive. We will catch y'all on the next one.